Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use filters in Make in 2026. Filters allow you to control how data moves through your automation by deciding which items continue to the next module. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser, sign in to your Make account, and open the scenario where you want to add a filter. Make sure you've already connected at least 2 modules in your workflow. Next, click the small connection line between the 2 modules. From the available options, choose Set up a filter to create a new filter for that connection. Now give your filter a descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially if your scenario contains multiple filters. Next, create one or more conditions by selecting a data field from the previous module, choosing a comparison operator such as equals, contains, or greater than, and entering the value you want to match. If needed, add multiple conditions and combine them using AND or OR logic to create more advanced filtering rules for your automation. Once your filter is configured, click OK or Save, then select Run once to test the scenario. Verify that only the data matching your conditions continues to the next module. Finally, save your scenario and turn it on. Your filter will now automatically control how information flows through your automation, making your workflows more accurate and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use filters in Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.